wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best home pizza ovens. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Experience serious cooking power in the backyard with the Blackstone Outdoor. Built with a 60,000 BTU burner, it can bake up to twice as quickly as the competition, while the rotisserie motor keeps your pie moving to deliver even results across its entire surface. It's equipped with swiveling casters for portability and an electric push-button ignition. However, the pizza stone is fragile. At number 9, the Betty Crocker BC2958CR. Acts like a George Foreman grill, except it makes pizzas and flatbreads with your favorite toppings. Reliable and simple to use, its non-stick coated baking plate ensures a hassle-free cleanup, though it doesn't have a power switch. It comes with a self-regulating internal thermostat and a cord that wraps up for easy storage, but it really needs a countdown timer. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Offering an open face like a wood-fired oven, the Camp Chef Artisan takes Italian cuisine to another level. A durable ceramic stone wicks moisture away effortlessly from the dough, allowing you to cook traditional, pre-made or frozen pizzas to near perfection. It includes a built-in temperature gauge and a cooking guide. However, it's not good for use in windy conditions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for home pizza ovens, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Oster Convection features a dedicated pizza drawer that's calibrated to cook anything from a 12-inch pie to appetizers and even quesadillas, depending on your preference. Unfortunately, the drawer and upper oven section can't be used at the same time. It boasts dedicated toast and broil settings and automatic shut-off functionality, but it takes up a lot of counter space. Moving up our list to number 6. The Wisco 425C is a digital oven with 2 temperature settings that make it easy to prepare a crust just the way you want it. Its built-in fan will continue to run until the unit cools off completely. Unfortunately, the flip-up handle is a bit on the flimsy side. It's relatively easy to store and good for heating frozen pizzas. However, the tray is hard to slide in and out. Halfway up our list at number 5. Let the whole family experience dinner-time fun together with the tabletop pizzarette. Equipped with dedicated high-powered heating elements located above and below your food, up to 6 mini pies can be prepared quickly and evenly. 5 black plastic spatulas are included. It features a handmade terracotta dome and a removable baking sheet, but is not ideal for heavy toppings. At number 4, designed for baking breads, pies, or roasting a variety of meats, vegetables, and fish, the Bakerstone oven box transforms a large gas or charcoal grill into a gourmet pizza prepping tool. The double-walled ceiling interior ensures optimal heat retention at all times. It comes with easy-to-read display icons and integrated handles for carrying. However, it is a pain to keep clean. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the cuisinart alfrescamore leverages the 3 processes of conduction, convection, and reflection to simulate the ideal baking environment found in many classic brick ovens. Its collapsible legs and built-in handles make it super easy to transport. It's very easy to assemble and includes an integrated smoker cup and a 15,000 BTU burner. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for home pizza ovens, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto uses a combination of a dual-layered cordierite stone and a reflective heat shield, both of which work together to provide even cooking of a pie's crust and topping simultaneously. Its upper vent releases moisture to prevent sogginess. It preheats in just 10 minutes and is good for tailgating and camping. It runs on 1-pound propane tanks. And coming in at number 1 on our list, powered completely by wood pellets and capable of reaching a maximum temperature of 932 degrees Fahrenheit in as little as 10 minutes, the Uuni 3 Portable delivers an authentic wood-fired taste to any type of pizza you decide to put together when cooking outdoors. It features a brushed stainless steel exterior and 3 legs for stability. It's great for meats and seafood too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for home pizza ovens, or simply click beneath this video.